Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this lovely leaf edging, and it's very easy. So let's get started. To make this edging, you could just work along a foundation chain or along a row of single crochet stitches, but just to demonstrate today, I'm going to work along a row of double crochet. And you could also do this just along the bottom of a sweater and just start working right on the garment itself. So after you have your foundation and decided what you're going to work on, the first thing you're going to do is chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, in the third stitch from the hook. So 1, 2, 3. So double crochet. Make one more double crochet in the same stitch. Now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch in the top of that last double crochet. Make another double crochet in the same stitch. Chain 2, 1, 2, slip stitch in that same stitch. And that's going to form your little picot petal. Now you're going to chain 2, and you're going to skip the next 2 stitches, single crochet in the next. Okay, so there's the first section. You're just going to repeat that all the way across the row. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, double crochet in the third stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3. Make one more double crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch in the top of the last double crochet, double crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, and slip stitch in that same stitch. Chain 2, 1, 2, skip the next 2 stitches, single crochet in the next stitch. And you just repeat that all the way across the row, and you'll have completed a very lovely edging for towels, t-shirts, on the bottom of sweaters, on the ends of scarves, or lots of other uses. Let me know in the comments below where else we could use this lovely edging. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.